Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at a 3120 XP. This is that 118cc 7.2 cubic inch motor. This saw is the biggest Husqvarna's ever made and capable of running a 60-inch bar. And this one's got a 28 on it. It's an Oregon sprocket nose. And it's a new 3/8 chisel bit skip tooth chain. It's a big saw. This is a one they can cut the big timber with. It's got a compression release right here, bar adjuster right here, loosen the nuts up. That chain brake is going to need a band. That band is not functioning properly, so you'll have to put a band on that before you use it if you want to have a functional chain brake. It's got the oil adjuster right here. It's not a pump. What that is that's a trip lever, and that increases the oil flow to the bar. A new filter on there. Nice and clean in there. And it does run good. We'll fire it up. And we'll go outside and make a cut with it.